Welcome to this quick guide on how to copy a spreadsheet link in Google Drive, updated for 2024. Whether you're sharing a project with colleagues or collaborating on a team assignment, knowing how to efficiently share your Google Sheets can save you time and hassle. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, simply navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're in, you'll see all your files organized neatly. Next, find the spreadsheet you want to share. Scroll through your list of files or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found your spreadsheet, look for the three dots next to its name. This icon represents additional options for that file. Now, click on the three dots. A menu will pop up with several choices regarding how you can interact with your file. Among these options, you'll see Copy Link. This is exactly what we need. After clicking on Copy Link, Google Drive will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. You can now share this link with anyone you want. Just paste it into an email, message, or any platform where you'd like to share it. It's worth noting that, by default, anyone with this link may only have view access. If you want others to edit the spreadsheet, make sure to adjust the sharing settings before copying the link. To do this, click on Share at the top right of your spreadsheet and change the permissions accordingly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can easily copy and share a link to your Google Sheets spreadsheet. This method ensures that your collaborators can access the document without any complications. Remember, sharing documents effectively is key in today's digital workspace. So whether you're working on a group project or sharing important data with clients, these steps will help streamline your process. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out more tips and tricks for using Google Drive and other productivity tools in our upcoming videos. Happy sharing!